Mark, we're here at Southern Manufacturing, and these blue machines, we're seeing these pop up all over the place. Why do people like Matsuura so much?
I mean, it's such a popular brand now, isn't it? Hey, we're here at Southern every year. We supply a machine which the UK public love. It's very reliable. It works for a long time, and customers come back again and again for more products from us.
Yeah. You do seem to have a lot of high client retention, so it must be just more than machine. It must be about service support of the business as well.
It is, yeah, for sure. It's very rare that a customer just buys one machine. They may start off with an MX-520 as we see here, and then progress into the multi-pallet machines. But to be fair, today we're selling more multi-pallet machines, whether it's 5-axis or horizontal, than we've ever done in the past.
Sure, so this is a standalone machine, but you offer similar machines to this now with integrated automation as well.
We do, yes. You can have this machine with either 4 pallets or as a single table machine, yes.
And the maximum spindle, the fact that you've got a facility here in the UK when spindles may go down, is that an advantage as well?
Yeah, for sure. As far as the UK goes, we are the only people that rebuild spindles in the UK for our own machines. So it's it's something that our customers love, that knowledge that we have the service backup and support ready for them. And what we aim to do is we always aim to arrive on site to actually fix a machine rather than coming to diagnose a machine.
And as companies are looking to sell more machines, make them more cost effective, Matsuura is still hand built, aren't they? Hand scraped, hand built premium machines built the old fashioned way.
Yes, they are. Yes, of course. Yeah. It is a hand built 5-axis or horizontal vertical machining centre from Japan.
And how's the market finally for Matsuura? Is it strong?
Yes, very good. Yeah, back end of last year was astronomical, really. In a year where everybody thought it was going to be difficult and the buying public would be a little bit hesitant about what they were buying, we were still selling lots and lots of machines, lots of multi-pallet machines. Customers that have taken a while to decide what they're actually going to buy, and then suddenly the machine, a multi-pallet machine will turn up, and within weeks they're running at over 90% spindle utilisation, and they're seeing the benefit of having a machine which will run and exploit every hour of every single day.
Very good. And just finally, what's next for Matsuura? What's on the horizon?
Well, in the next few months, obviously we've got MAC. We're expecting a very, very good attendance at that show. We've got lots of machines on show, multi-pallet, as we said. We're doing the HP machines there as well. So obviously lots for people to come and see us.